Recklessly speeding down the highway while reaching speeds over 120 miles per hour, two teenagers in a gray painted Honda are doing everything possible to run from the highway patrol officers.
Slowing down.
Making dangerous turns, putting innocent lives in danger, these teenagers have no chance of escaping the well-trained highway patrol.
He's making a U-turn. We're going to go southbound on Georgia. Southbound Georgia. 631 up to 640.
Thank you.
There for 604. That's still on turning the Wedgewood station. Go to B north.
At this location, the suspect vehicle picked up some damage, but that didn't slow down these desperate teens. As the driver seemed determined to look for an escape opportunity, officers of the Texas Highway Patrol are equally keen on deploying a pit maneuver to put an end to this outrageous chase before innocent citizens get hurt.
Six 631 okay.
Are they agree on all in this place?
631 Simon Riverbend.
Your job reaching the entranceway field, the Cook Stadium, your left, Mount Street, or southbound.
Get out.
With a successful pit maneuver, officers quickly apprehend the two suspects and put them into custody. The driver is currently serving time for multiple counts. Charges were dropped on the passenger, as she is later discovered innocent and ignorant about the whole situation. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe for more.